Oh my god, Cow here, guys. The new Slayer Dungeon thing came out today, and I just got home, finally. And I was like, what? And I went to kill it. Let's turn this on. So, like, these things are extremely easy. I have no idea what these things are for. Are they tradable? Holy shit, 70. What the fuck? 71 of them. What the hell are they used for? What are they? I killed one. What is this? 500. What the hell? To be honest, if there's that many of them, I'd have no care. But let's see. This week I didn't do too much. No levels or nothing. So let's fuck this guy up over here. Just, like whatever. Storm Armor hits it so much better. You just pray mage and just kill it, fuck it up. But let's see, this week I didn't do much. I got a couple of effigies, tacits with a friend, and scepter, I think. Yeah, scepter. Not much else. I got a picture of Wooks and then a picture of a guy with trimmed cape. Motherfucking birds. But yeah, let's see. Not much else to say. The new gear that came out for these, loads of people. I saw loads of people with the full gear already. I was hoping to actually, sit here for hours and then wait for a drop or something and actually have to work for it, but no. Oh shit, run away. I don't know what that is right there, that weird yellow stuff. I just know that it hurts you. Yeah. These things are extremely easy. Well, 280 is Ganodermic, I guess, Ganodermic. But yeah, extremely easy. You can just, mage them. Like, what the hell? Like, why? But so many people already have the full set. Is like, what the fuck's the point? I sold my Ellie, and I bought full Virtus and Arcane a few days ago. Man, did I say about that? Like, that was just a few days ago, though. And I was like, I might as well camp Glakers or something. See, like that guy right there, he has the staff. Why is this thing? Shoot that one over there. How about we do that? There we go. But this is just so retarded. It's like so easy to get through. You just sit here and protect mage. It's like, what's the point? Oh shit, get off me. I don't even... Oh my god, quit coming closer. But like, what the fuck's the point of this? If it went from like 200 mil for the set down to under 15 mil. So I guess it's an alright price. It's hardly better than Aram's. Just like hardly. Virtus is still better, of course. They never said that I was gonna be better than Virtus, of course, though. A creature infested with its toxic fungus. Is that what this is? Hideous creature covered in Ganodermic fungus. Was that this guy? An undersized creature covered in Ganodermic fungus? Okay. I might have to bring my bone crusher because of all these big bones everywhere. More of the flakes. What is the need thingy? This is, oh my god. Squish. What is it? We'll need an empty jug to hold the neem oil. What the fuck? You there. I squish you. But I will probably keep a log, and if I get any drops, I will of course take pictures like always. But yeah, I will probably update later. If I do get a drop, of course, I will update later. I'll be camping Glakors and stuff, or more effigies and everything. I need 92 agility so I can boost to 95. I need 93 thieving so I can boost to 97. I can already boost to 97 hunter. Mining, I can boost that a couple of levels with stews. Same thing with rune crafting. So I'm good with everything like that with those. So I should be good on that for a while. And if I don't update with like more drops and stuff like that, because I'll be recording most of this. And if I don't really get anything, I will see you guys next week. Most likely. See you guys later. Nature runes! How many? 68? What the hell? Alright, see you guys later.
Hey guys, Cal here again. Yesterday I totally rage quit on these things because they were retarded. I was expecting a better update of it. But I figured out what the flakes are for. The flakes are actually for to make the armor. Like you buy it upstairs later, my person. But you buy it upstairs and then you use the flakes on them with needle and thread, and then it actually makes the armor. The armor is going to be new for corping mainly, is what everyone's talking about. Like these flakes here, they're actually worth loads. They actually sell for that much. See, like 320k right there. They actually sell for that much because people are buying it for that much. I don't know why. Spent maybe like 15 minutes here yesterday and made 2 mil just from those things. The staff drop looks like, my friend said that he got like 4 of them. They look like sticks, he said. Not sure what he means by that, but he said that they're just like sticks on the ground. And the staff is actually a lot. Like it actually hits a lot. So Solid2K made a maxing video of it. The pores are for the staff, so you can actually make the staff. Those also come in bulks like that, where they just drop loads of them, but they're not worth as much. But I will probably be camping these for a while, just because of how much you can actually make here. My friend got about, I think he said 5 effigies in like 4 hours. The best way to do it is to just protect mage, get away from them so that they don't hit you like that. You want to stay back, just protect mage, have a unicorn, some overloads, something like that, and you will be good. I got full Virtus on, of course. Activate my aura. But yeah, these things do drop quite a lot of things that are pretty good. It's died down a little bit because it used to be like completely packed in here. But yeah, 95 Slayer for these things. Now you do Storm of our model seems to work best because I tried, like at the beginning of the video, of course, the last part that I did yesterday. That was, I was trying out the Storm of Arma and the Fire Surge, which Storm of Arma totally does it better. But yeah, I will be making money here. 500 of them. How much of those? Boom, a mil. See, look at how, see that? I just made a mil. Like what the hell? Not sure if they'll actually sell for that much now, but the ones that I got yesterday, they sold for that, like the normal price of them. They also dropped tree seeds, which is pretty cool. But I will see you guys later. Hopefully more effigies. Okay, bye-bye.